This tutorial is on downloading the Zoom client to your computer and launching your first meeting. To download Zoom onto your desktop, you want to start by going to zoom.us. Once there, go to Resources, Download Zoom Client. Now it tells you in the Download Center that Zoom Client for Meetings, that the web browser will download automatically when you start or join your first Zoom meeting, but you can also manually download it here. This is the one that I recommend. Click Download. And it will automatically start downloading and should pop up in the bottom left of your screen. Once it has finished going through its downloading process, you need to go ahead and run it and follow all of the prompts. I actually already have it downloaded, so we're going to skip ahead to starting a meeting. Once you've downloaded the Zoom client and you have launched it, you should come to this initial page. From here, you need to sign in. Once you have signed in, it will generally keep you signed in, and this will be the first screen that you will see when you open your Zoom client. From here, you can launch a new meeting or you can join a meeting. To join a meeting, you'll need the meeting ID or personal link name. To launch a meeting, you simply click New Meeting, and you will be available to do so. Just make sure you're not wearing your Princess Anna crown that your daughter had you put on before the video starts.